Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I don't think we ever worked on this car on the channel, but I've been working on it for a while now. Never recorded anything, but he just got a carbon fiber hood for his car. We're gonna put this on real quick. But long story with this car. Just tell him what happened. Tell him what happened, Sian. It's his car.
So where do we begin? I bought it. It had Sutton the turbo, throttle actuator was shit, but it had a fire tune and the turbo goes shoot. Then we were driving and unfortunate events happened and Safin bashed his head on my window and got a concussion for like a night.
Throw pictures.
Yes, we'll throw some pictures. It was great. Didn't get sued. No cop report.
Wait. I want to, because they're gonna see the picture.
This is what it looks like now.
Yeah, this is. Don't mind the wheels. He just sold his previous wheels. That's why he has spares on. These just sit in my backyard whenever people. Whenever people need wheels, these go on.
Yeah. But yeah, so I fixed it. Now I'm slowly fixing everything. So I'm gonna get a new turbo and cosmetics as well. I was gonna buy seats today, but
someone already sold it.
My friend sold it.
He also has a wide body for it. Yes. That's gonna go on before spring. Summer, spring.
So right now it's gonna be the carbon fiber hood, and maybe 2 weeks from now, maybe carbon fiber trunk. So we'll see.
Maybe. Right now this is his back setup. This is the spec detail lights, right?
Yes.
Turn it on real quick.
This is the white housing, I think, right?
Yeah, the white housing one. It's fire. He has the, this is what, the 3.8 whatever, the spoiler?
No, this is a regular like spoiler. This is not
okay.
3.8.
Okay, alright, never mind.
And then we have the ISR catback exhaust.
Yeah, full
delete.
Yep.
We have the air intake, but I guess we can pop the hood now.
Yeah. If you have a Genesis, I highly suggest these taillights. What happened?
You want to hear it?
Sure, do a little startup and a little. It's not bad. Alright, so let's get started on the hood. The hood has some few damages, like the clear is cracked over here. But yeah, he only paid $550 for this, which is amazing.
I am a great negotiator. I bought the Q6ES at the price that we got it for.
But yeah, we're gonna get started on it real quick. Take the stock hood off, and we'll go from there.
Yes.
Alright guys, just took the hood off. It was pretty easy. It was 4 12 millimeters on both sides and the hinge. But this has hood pins on it, so we're gonna have to install that as well. So yeah.
Let me just run it like this.
Yeah, when I ran hoodless on the GS300, it looks so cool when you're driving.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's illegal, right?
Yeah, no, actually, I don't know about New York. If anybody knows, let me know. I read some places where it's legal and some places it's like not legal. I just ran it anyway, but is it legal?
I mean, bro.
Who knows? We'll just do it.
Natural cooling.
Exactly.
Like, it'll never heat up. All right, let's get started.
Let's get it started on the cover on fire.
I am Superman.
She just wanna fuck me for my check. Shorty got me fucked up, yeah, I'm vexed. Got me tangled up in her web. Cause how the fuck she end up in my bed? Rockin' the Louis, Gucci, and the Prada. She's a devil wearing Fendi monster. Booty so juicy, bounces too.
12 seconds later.
This is the scary part. Drilled in. This thing is not stable, but at least I got the hole.
Okay.
just use mine. Open it.
You dented it though.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's enough. Right here, right there. Don't hurt yourself.
Fruity, and she still think we're bone like sea lobster. Crack it open, her pussy wet like the ocean. You realize your pocket's empty, and then I text your card is frozen. Shorty Yoshi, oh we already know. Shorty Yoshi, oh we already know. Shorty Yoshi, oh we already know. Shorty Yoshi, yeah, Shorty Yoshi. Do not let her in. She won't steal your money every cent. So if she says she love you, that's pretend. Yeah, and I know it from experience. She'll have you living in a tent. I need a vent. Hoes be popping up in different higher pumps, and when they see a diamond shine on your neck. I'm from Rosa, bro, a nigga coming up, so how about you pay a little respect? All my nigga hoes is really ballin', bro. Trying to stack this money, get these commas up. Let the zeros follow, then we count it up. Yeah, I get around, but she different. Everybody sliding, tripping. All the money business, so they really vicious. She succeed, man, she's too ambitious. Get all your feeling, man, that shit's an illness. Smoke some clouds like it's flying.
Alright guys, we just finished. It was a pain in the ass to line up the pins to the latches because you're supposed to put the pins first and then drill the holes, drill the big hole on the hood to put the, the latch on it. But since the guy already had the latch on it, we had to do it the other way around. And to line it up, oh my god. To put the hood itself, it took me 5 minutes, and to the latches, it took me like an hour. But finally got it done. This is what it looks like. I had to go get new hardware from the hardware store because the ones he gave me wasn't good enough. But yeah, I'm out of breath. This is what it looks like. He's gonna get new pins and latches since this one's broken. But that's cheap. That shouldn't be a problem. When that comes, we'll probably change this out and the pins out. But yeah. And for the wheels, I know it looks super ugly, but I gave this to him to run it for the time being because he just sold his old setup. But I think I'm gonna sell him my wheels, the one I got for the 300ZX. It will look better on that car than this. I don't know. I want to sell this car with the stock wheels to keep it original. But I think I'm gonna sell him these wheels today, and he's probably gonna go put it on. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Keep moving forward.
no.
Just blurp it. Just beep it all out. Yeah, just beep all of this out.
I love TJ Hunt.
So do I.
He's cute.
It's Calvin.
Yeah, Cal.
I mean, I was basically Calvin.
I don't know. Like and subscribe. Peace.